Happy's back. We're going to get started on the right rear quarter panel of the Firebird. Last week you saw that we found a bunch of rust in the left rear, and turned to find out it had a big fiberglass patch, and we don't want to deal with that. We want to cut all that out and put it back like the way it came with steel. There'll be some filler, but it won't be to that extent, not filling holes. We just want to use the filler lightly to level things and get things smooth again like it was when it was new. Anyway, just watch me work. Okay, I know I didn't get too much done today. I'm not going to be able to get my Monday off that I normally have. I'm going to be working some overtime, so this week will be a little bit short, a little bit less done. But we'll get back on it next week.